Now this is how you rig up a boat in the air where you can weld the axle springs back on it. That is the intention. And then I can use my trailer. What do you think about this? Oh yeah, you should have seen how I got it here, how I got it off of that trailer. Now that was the cool part. So I had to ride it there backwards, hanging off the back, and stuck off about from here, no, further than that, but from here back, stuck off the back of that trailer, riding down the road. So anyway, this is what I did. So now, take this here and weld it back up under that trailer. Put new wheels on it, probably even a new hub assembly, because I got some. Yeah, might need a hub assembly. I'm gonna put some degreaser on there. Looks like it's got a broke stud. Oh yeah, it's a locked up hub. There's my problem. So after I do that, hot tamale, that's not good. That actually seized up. Let's see about this other one. What is? Oh, it's rolling. This one might roll after a little bit of work. All right. Anyway, y'all tell me what y'all think. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. This is Redneck Boat Fixing 101. Redneck Boat Fixing 101.